Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial series where we will be creating a music player app, and I would like to show you the demonstration of the application. And I think it is also one of the most popular tutorial playlist on my channel. And that tutorial I had done like really long time ago. So that is why like I have decided to make it like a brand new on with a little bit new technologies such as MVVM structure. And obviously I won't be able to play the songs and like help you listen to the audio in the demo, because then I will get the copyright strike. But as you can see on this GitHub, which is my project that I have uploaded, is that it has the features of like the song that you can seek the Seekbar also. Volume capability is there, audio focus is there, and also you can see the duration, you can see the images. So yeah, it is amazing, right? So this is my project. Like all the code is done by me, so do not think that I have copy pasted it from somewhere else. But what I will be doing in this one is that I will be taking the layout code from this tutorial, this GitHub repository of mine, and I will make sure to put the link to this repository in the description so you guys don't have any problem. So without a further ado, let's get right into uh, project, and like we will be creating the project from scratch, except the layout files that I will be using from my old project. And as you can see, the layout looks like this. So pretty simple and I think good layout. If you're talking about my tutorials, I don't really put a lot of attention to the layouts. But anyways, this is what we have, and now we will just build a new project. So let me just close the old one. Okay, let's name this project as my player, and let's build it. Meanwhile, I will be going to my GitHub and look for the dependencies that I have used. uh, I've just used data binding and I think navigation. I'm not sure if I have used, yeah, I think I have used the navigation, but it's not necessary, and you will see why I'm saying that it's not necessary. But still, anyways, we will paste the dependency once the project stops finishes building. Yeah. Okay, looks like our project build has finished. Now we'll just okay, enable data binding in case we might use it, and also paste the dependencies because this app is going to be built on the MVVM architecture. So the view model and live data is also crucial to this app development, and navigation component if we plan to create fragments in there, but I don't think so I have. Okay, and yeah, in Gradle there is nothing much, and what we will do is in the colors we need a lot of things, because yeah, in the colors we need this. I will change the, maybe add black, white, black. Yeah, in the colors I will go and black, white. Okay, let's just from black. Okay, we have got the colors, and I think let's create a dimension files. and give it dimensions. Okay, and in themes, let me see if I have. Okay, in themes, no action bar. Let's just change it to light. I'll try to just run the app only once because yeah. Okay, and now we will come to the layout part where I have, yeah, so I have like the navigation. So first of all, let's just create resource directory and put it like navigation and create a file nav graph. This is like I do this in every tutorial, so nothing much to explain here. And what I will be doing is just deleting this. You have already seen the layout, so I don't have to like explain it so much. So what we will do is we will just simply paste the layouts and get going from there. But also we need some drawables. So let's just go and in my previous project, okay, Android Studio projects, music player, source, main, res. Yeah, we need this. This is for like the play button and the pause button and all that shit. Okay, that's done, and now we will just come to the layout and we'll just put it like here. Let's just get rid of this activity main. Okay, we have the layouts here, and I think we have to sync it. There could be error because obviously we have copied the code from somewhere, so it is normal when we do that. Okay, yeah, project build is successful. So let's just close the whole project, like all the tabs. Okay, and now let's come to the real place where we have to write the code, and like obviously here we have to create some packages. Let me just make it more cleaner. Okay, uh yeah, package adapter model MVVM and UI. Oh shit. Okay, UI. Okay, and let's create one for two classes actually, where we will be my music player manager, and one my application for the context. Okay, and let's just go back to navigation for a while, and here we have to define the home fragment. So that is going to be song list fragment. Because that's our home fragment, so and going to this, let's just get rid of this file because we are not going to use it. Coming back to navigation graph and defining the, okay, this is our home fragment. Going back, cleaning it up, okay, good, right. So what I will do is I will create one application so we can use the context anywhere in the app. Well, music player manager by lazy. So whenever the app starts, the music player gets instantiated. I really have struggled with this word. Okay, and let's go to the manifest and add this. Okay, cool. And while we are in the manifest, we have to add some permissions. So to be able to read the raw assets on the app, such as mp3 files and all that, we have to provide its permission. And let's just close all tab to the right, even close this and that. Okay, now we have a lot of and we can add some animations. So because if you see in the GitHub, I showed you that how beautifully we were able to navigate from the player to the song list and vice versa. So we have the animations here. Great. Let's just minimize this. Okay, let's just go to adapter maybe and name it as song adapter. Go to the model and name it as song and data class. And in this one, obviously we have to have the values val id long, val title of the song, val artist name, val duration of the song, val data, which is itself the mp3 or whatever the file that we are playing, wave file, and the image. Okay, so we are done here, and let's just add the parseable. That's done. Let's come to the MVVM side. Okay, song repository. And here we will be creating a function. Let me see the time, and I'll try to keep the videos. Maybe if we can finish the song repository class. No, I have to do the MVVM thing in this one. Maybe 30 minutes each, so you don't get bored. Get audio files, context, and return them as live data, list of song. Let's just audio files, live data, mutable live, list song. Okay, and audio files, projection, array of media store dot audio media okay, we have to import it. I'm going to replace these. I did a title, artist, duration, album ID, and of course data which actually holds the playable file. Well, selection, media store, audio media is music, well, sort order, media store, audio, oh wow, audio media dot title in ascending order, val cursor, context, content resolver, query, media store media audio. Okay, external content URI, projection, selection, null, sort order. So there is some error. Projection is array list of ID, title, artist, duration, album ID, data. Required. Okay, this is array of. Okay. And let's just get right into it. Cursor is not null, use id column, c dot get column, index or throw, media store audio, media id. Let's change the name to title, artist, duration, and of course we have to change it here as well, but first let's finish this. Album ID, okay, and data column. So for data column it will have data here. For album ID, duration is duration, artist is artist, and title is title. Okay, and now let's take a while loop. I would suggest that you guys can forward the video and see when this repository code is finished, and then you can copy it. While id c get long id column, while title c get string, title column, while artist c dot get string, artist column, while duration c dot get long, duration column, while album ID c dot get long, album ID column, while data c dot get string, data column, while album art URI get album art. And this is something that we have to do separately. We have to, for displaying the images, we have to create a separate function that I'll come to later. Song, and now this is the song, that data class that we had made the object right in the model. So once everything is like fetched correctly, we can just add it to our object. And at the same time, audio files dot add, in the mutable list we can add this object, and audio files live data post value audio files and return audio files live data. This is great. And now we have to create this separate function where we can get the album art. Okay, here we are. Well, album art, URI parse content, media external, audio, album art, return content URIs with append ID, appended ID, album art URI and album ID. And I am not sure if the context I have used or not. Okay, regardless, this is done, and we should be going, like, what's the time? Yeah, let's just go to the view model and quickly create song view model and view model factory as well. We use view model factory when we want to pass a repository as the argument in the constructor of our view model. So remember that. Private val repository, song repository, view model. Okay, fun, show the list, and remember that this is the list of songs that we are trying to fetch. And now here we can simply say repository get audio files, and it takes the context. Good. Okay, view model is this, and I'm just going to throw in the same code. It is for view model factory. If your project is taking the repository, then the code is always the same, so you can use this boilerplate code from my project. Okay, we can import stuff, and that's it. So I think that's enough for this tutorial, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Thank you for watching.